Michelle here with Strawberry, and today we are going to unpack a shoebox for Operation Christmas Child for a boy ages 10 to 14 years old. I actually packed this box a while back, a couple months ago, because I pack year-round because I find that I'm able to get things on clearance after different holiday sales. I can look for things on sale. I can buy things in bulk and be able to have more things for shoeboxes. So I don't really particularly have a theme for a lot of my boxes this year. I just have been able to find things to buy, and I buy them and then I put them in shoeboxes, and hopefully this boy will be blessed by this box. He opens it up. This is what he's going to see. I made a little thing that says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. He has this cute little funny looking dog. I found these. I think they're actually dog toys, but I think they're so cute. And they were on clearance after Christmas, I believe, because I had white ones, red ones, and green ones. But you wouldn't know it was a Christmas toy. I think it's so cute. I think 10 to 14-year-old boys gonna get a kick out of that. Look at his smile. It's kind of just a mix match because of how I had to arrange things to fit things. So he's got a squish ball of the world. It's a globe as well. I love sending those, especially for like the older boys. He has one of these fidget soccer balls, spinner things. This was a Valentine. It's a bouncy ball, and it says, "You're out of this world." And it actually doesn't say Valentine's Day on that. So I like that. He has a little hygiene kit where I put some nail clippers, a nail file, a comb, and some chapstick. He has a little thing of sparkly Play-Doh. I teach this age. I teach middle school boys most of the time. My classes are very heavy laden with boys, and they would play with all this stuff. Got him a Rubik's Cube. He has a foldable flying disc. And I think I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the packaging before I put it back in the shoebox. Because in a lot of countries, they don't have good trash service, so I don't like sending them with a lot of trash. He has this cool 4x4 car to play with a shark on it. It's not a pull back and go, it's a push, and then it starts to go. And did you see that? Kind of bounces as it goes. Ooh. Okay, so that's cool. He's got a couple of Hot Wheels. He has a sewing kit because boys at this age, they can sew too. It's not just for girls. He has a hat. Now this is a hat that I picked up at a convention or something, and so it was free. It's a brand new hat. Still actually has the cardboard in it. It's a very nice hat. I think he will like that. Let's see, what else do we have in here? This bag I actually made from the sleeve of a shirt, and then inside of it, look, we have a big shooter. We've got, can y'all see those? Instead of me pulling them all out, where they'll all run everywhere and I'll never find them. He's got a bunch of marbles in there. So he's got a set of marbles in that bag. He's got one of those squish footballs. And this does say brother on your side. I think it was probably a freebie as well. He has, oops. He has this cute little screwdriver set. A flathead and a Phillips head. He has another bag. What's in this other bag? Let's see. He has some Yahtzee cards that I made and laminated, and directions on how to play Yahtzee, plus some dice and some dry erase markers. So I laminated my Yahtzee cards, and I do have a video on that, so that he will be able to play Yahtzee. He has a red Sharpie because, you know, sometimes you need a red Sharpie. He has a pencil pack, and inside of his pencil pack, he has some pencils, and another comb, and some scissors, and some stickers, and some glue, and an eraser, and some more erasers, and some more stickers. He has a level. That could be a cool thing for a boy this age. He has a drinking glass, and inside the glass is a t-shirt. And so this t-shirt, it says create, engage, inspire. It was also a convention giveaway, but it is a size medium, and it's a Gildan brand. It is a nice brand of t-shirt, and there's nothing wrong with, you know, using the resources that God gives you as you pack your shoebox. These glasses were on sale at Walmart, sometime during the summer, I think. And they come with a straw. And they were, I don't know, like 25 cents each. So I bought a whole bunch of those. He has a composition book for school. He has some colored pencils. He has, this was a Valentine, and so there's actually two here, but it's a little cardboard football game. He has a note from me. He has a magnifying glass. You know, you can use that to see, you can use that to make fire. You know, it's got uses. He has a little twirly toy. Got these in bulk. Actually, they might have been a gift for my birthday. So you stick it on there, and you do this, and then you let go. And it flies. And he has a bandana. I know when I had boys this age that they used bandanas for everything and loved having bandanas around. They thought they were like the magic thing to have, you know, because you could use them as a sling, or you could use them when you're hot and get them wet, or you could use them, tie them up and carry stuff. And they have just so many uses. So that is what this boy is going to be getting. Oh, that one looks like a crayon. Didn't even notice that. Okay. Gotta remember how I got everything in here so that it will fit again. So some of these were like stuffed under the corners of the hat. Will she be able to get it all back in? That is the question. If it fits, it ships. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get an alpaca shoebox, will you? It is on my Etsy store. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Toodles!